Hello and welcome to our review of the best baby monitors available on the market today. As new parents, we understand how important it is to keep a close eye on your little one, especially when they're sleeping. Baby monitors have become an essential tool for modern parents, providing peace of mind and allowing them to keep an eye on their child from another room. With so many options available, it can be tough to choose the right one for your family. But don't worry, we've done the research and testing for you, and we're here to share our top picks for the best baby monitors on the market. Number 1. VTech VM901 Baby Monitor. Most baby monitors use a closed-circuit parent unit or a smartphone app to display video footage. The VTech VM901 Smart Baby Monitor gives you the best of both worlds. For example, your babysitter can use the screen, and you can check in on your smartphone app. The VTech VM901 has excellent audio and video quality and even looks great in night vision mode. Everything looks crisper on the app versus the traditional monitor, and you can also zoom in further on the app. The camera can play lullabies or white noise and alert you if the nursery gets too hot or cold. Other than that, there aren't too many smart features on this baby monitor. This Wi-Fi smart baby monitor allows you to be aware of motion or temperature changes instantly with notifications to both the parent unit and your mobile device. You'll need to charge the VTech parent unit every day because its battery lasts just a few hours at a time. Number 2. Reolink E1 Pro Baby Monitor. If you want to skip all the high-priced extras and just get a Wi-Fi camera with crystal clear video footage, check out the Reolink E1 Pro. It's a pan and tilt camera that records in clear 1440p with night vision up to 40 feet. The E1 Pro has two-way audio, but you can't leave it running in the background as with some of the baby monitor apps. This is an all-purpose camera better suited for manually checking in on your little one than for getting specialized alerts. Reolink cameras have some of the best visual clarity we've ever seen in cameras under $100, so your little one won't just look like a blob on the screen. The camera can detect people and pets and send you real-time motion-triggered notifications. Stay informed of events that matter to you most. When motion is detected, the camera automatically focuses on and follows the moving object. Never miss any important moments. Number 3. Infant Optics DXR8 Pro. The Infant Optics DXR8 Pro is a simple, user-friendly video baby monitor with solid features like two-way audio, a room temperature sensor, and a remote pan and tilt capability. You can rest assured that the video feed is completely private, as this closed-circuit baby monitor doesn't connect to Wi-Fi. We like that it comes with multiple, easy-to-swap lenses so you can choose between standard and zoom, or you can purchase a wide-angle lens for about $12 on Amazon. If that doesn't provide enough coverage, you can add up to 3 additional cameras. It comes with a wall mount kit for your baby's room, but you can also purchase a flexible arm to mount it to the crib. The parent monitor unit is lightweight with intuitive controls. The only downside to this monitor is its less than stellar rechargeable battery. You can expect to keep it on the charger for about 7 hours for a full charge, and it'll only last about 6 hours off the charger. We recommend purchasing the external battery pack for all-night coverage. Number 4. UFi Video Baby Monitor. The UFi Video Baby Monitor knows the difference between background noise and your baby's gurgles or whimpers. You won't get alerts every 5 seconds, nor will you accidentally tune out your baby while listening to a constant audio stream. This non-Wi-Fi, closed-circuit unit is similar to the Infant Optics Pro in terms of features and specs, but it has a smaller range. The company notes that the parent unit has a range of up to 1,000 feet if there are no obstacles, like walls, in the way. The unit's practical range is around 460 feet, which is sufficient for most homes. Like the Infant Optics Pro, the UFi is a pan and tilt camera with an optional wide-angle lens, and you can connect a total of 4 cameras to the parent unit. Although we haven't had a chance to test this baby monitor hands-on, we're pretty impressed with the quality of UFi cameras in general. Number 5. Nanit Pro Smart Baby Monitor. One of our favorite smart baby gadgets, the Nanit Pro Smart Baby Monitor tracks just about everything: sleep patterns, movement, breathing, and even nursery temperature and humidity. Plus, it connects to your smartphone to stream a continuous audio feed, even if your phone's locked. Honestly, the Nanit Pro would still top our list if that's where it stopped. But the list of features keeps going. It's also a white noise machine, a night light that gradually dims, and a portable nanny cam. That Nanit Pro is also the safest baby monitor in terms of low EMF levels, and is the best smart baby monitor with Alexa integration since its video feed can be displayed on any Echo Show device. There are just a couple things we don't like about the Nanit Pro. It's a sleep, breathing, and movement monitor only when the baby wears certain clothing and only when the camera is mounted to specific stands. Plus, the app will drain your phone battery.